28, 2025 is Port Canning and Merlion Day in 1 minute. Let's go! At ganun lang po kabilis yung Port Canning kasi literal na hagdan lang po siya. At hindi kami nakapagpa-picture kasi madaming nakapila. And here in Merlion is for me as a first timer sa Singapore, parang hindi kompleto yung Singapore tour kung wala ang Merlion. Charis! Siya na lang yun. Thank you so much for watching!